Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope all of you had a very Merry Christmas. I did too, and I was quite busy during the Christmas season, so I really didn't get to upload as much. But anyways, I managed to make my meals for Christmas, so I wanted to share with you this brown rice that I made for Christmas. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and turn off your notification bell as well. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you're going to need, which is the rice, the meat, vegetables, onions, and garlic. So you're going to start by heating your pan and adding like 50 mils of oil. I know that looks like too much, but you're going to need it because all the onions and the meat in the beginning suck up all that oil, so you're going to actually need it. You're going to add your meat and just keep stirring it until all the water dries and the meat turns brown. And I cover this up just to prevent all the oil from splashing everywhere. So you can also cover it or you can just not, so it really depends. So now that the water has dried out, as you can see, you can go on and add your onions and also give it a stir until the onions turn a bit brownish. So now that our onions are brown, you're going to add your minced garlic and give that a stir as well. And now you're going to add your cumin, and that cumin is what actually gives it the pilau flavor, and it really smells good. It adds a very nice flavor to the brown rice, and you're going to stir that as well. And because it's drying up, or it dries up sometimes, you can add 100 mils of water. If it's not, then just leave it, but most of the times it's better to add the 100 mils of water. A little bit of water, it actually also brings out the brown from the onions and the meat and also the cumin. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And then just give that another stir until everything mixes together. So now you want to add the water. And after adding the water, we are going to let it boil so that all the ingredients and all the seasoning mixes up together with the meat and all the flavors come together. Then we can finally add our rice. So now you can see everything boiled up together. We are just going to add our rice. Make sure you wash the rice before you add it. I did mine off camera because I didn't feel the need to record it. And then after, we are going to cover it and let it boil, and make sure you put it on very low heat. You can see our rice is almost cooked, but not really there yet. You just want to give it a stir, make sure everything, cooks like it's supposed to, and then just cover it until it's ready. So now that our rice is cooked, we are going to add our cooked vegetables, and the reason why we add them at the end is we do not want them to brown up as well. We want those beautiful colors of the vegetables to stand out and also take the show. So that's why we add them at the end. You can see the pilau rice is ready. Now we're just going to get ready and serve it. Ooh, it looks really nice. Look at that, guys. I still have memories of how delicious that was. And by the way, don't forget that I added all the information in the description box, so you can be also able to make this rice at home. And you can let me know in the comment section what you made for Christmas, or if you were able to make the beef stew that I shared the week before. But as of today, that is our rice. Look at how delicious that looks. It was actually very tasty. The brown of the meat and the colors of the vegetables and then the rice. My table looked just so perfect with the rice alongside all the other meals that I made, which I will be sharing also in upcoming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. Take care of yourself, of your mental health, your physical health. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah!